Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to permanently disable Oracle Cloud's annoying 2FA/MFA enabling request. So, let's go to video. First, log into your Oracle Cloud account. Click on Profile. Click on Identity Domain, Default. Click on Security. Click on Sign-on Policies. Click on three dots on Security Policy for OCI Console. Click on Deactivate Sign-on Policy. Click on Continue. Click on Deactivate Sign-on Policy. Now it is done.